This is the story of Armand, a hard-working father who spent 15 years saving his money for his daughter's future. Every month, he'd look at his bank balance and smile, feeling safe, secure, and proud. Until one morning, everything changed. He walked into the bank and handed over his withdrawal slip. The cashier looked up and said, "Sir, due to current economic conditions, we've limited withdrawals. Please come back next week." Next week became next month. His daughter's wedding was now just 20 days away. His money was trapped. He shouted, "But it's my money." But the bank didn't care. His 15 years of savings were frozen in seconds. This is not a fictional story. Bank freezes have happened in Greece, Lebanon, Sri Lanka, Nigeria, and they can happen anywhere. If all your wealth lives inside a bank, you are just one financial crisis away from losing access to it. Today I'll share with you the 5 assets that are safer than keeping all your cash sitting in the bank. These are the very assets the wealthy rely on when banks fall, currencies fail, and economies panic. The silent killer of savings. Most people believe banks are safe places to store money. But here's the truth. Banks don't keep your money sitting in a vault. They use it. They invest it. They earn from it. Meanwhile, your money silently loses value every single day due to inflation. Cash is like ice. The longer you hold it, the more it melts. That's why the rich don't save cash forever. They convert cash into assets that grow, even while they sleep. 5 assets safer than cash. 1. Dividend-paying stocks. Imagine owning a small piece of powerful companies like Apple, Microsoft, or Coca-Cola and receiving payments every few months just for holding their shares. That's what wealthy people do. They own, not just save. Dividend stocks provide long-term growth and passive income, even when the economy slows down. 2. Rental real estate people may lose jobs, businesses may fail, but people will always need a place to live. Rental real estate earns money monthly, even when banks restrict access. Even during inflation, rent often increases, protecting your purchasing power. 3. Gold. The crisis-proven asset empires have risen and fallen. Currencies have been created and destroyed, but gold has never lost its place as a store of value. When people panic, they run to gold. It is not an asset to make you rich overnight, but it is an asset that helps you never go broke. 4. Government bonds or sukuks. For those seeking safer protection, government bonds or sukuks provide fixed returns with lower risk. It's like lending money to the government and receiving stable payments over time, safer than keeping all your savings in a single bank account. 5. Bitcoin, digital gold of the modern age. Remember Armand, whose money was trapped? There was another man, Zishan. He didn't keep all his savings in the bank. He stored part of it in Bitcoin. While others waited in bank lines, Zishan accessed his funds instantly, from anywhere in the world. That's why major companies like Tesla and investment firms like BlackRock are quietly accumulating Bitcoin. Not to gamble, but to protect value over time. But remember, only invest a small, controlled portion and hold long term. How to begin? Step by step. If you're just starting, begin small. If your income is limited, start with gold or dividend index funds. If you're middle class, combine real estate funds, dividend stocks, and gold. If you have more saving power, diversify real estate, bonds, stocks, and a small portion in Bitcoin. You don't have to jump all in at once. Just gradually move from melting cash to growing assets. Keeping all your cash in the bank is like standing on thin ice. It looks solid until it breaks. The rich don't save money. They position money in places where it grows and protects them. If you want financial peace, don't just keep cash. Convert cash into value. Convert value into freedom. If this story opened your eyes, hit like, subscribe for more financial wisdom, and comment below. Which asset would you begin with? Gold, stocks, real estate, bonds, or Bitcoin? Thank you for watching, and may your money work for you, not fade away in silence.